Parikshit Bhaiya, I want is saying you cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing. Can you make me some admin or something? Okay, co-host, yes.
जी सुंदर भैया ना जी
So, namaste all. So, in the past 2-3 weeks, we were discussing about spices, fruits, vegetables, and other plants which are in and around our house, which can boost our immunity. Today, we will discuss about simple home remedies which were in practice from many thousands of years in India. And whenever there is small ailment, our grandmother or grandfather, they used to give some home remedy. Only if the problem is a bit complicated, then only they used to visit a doctor. Otherwise, simple problems used to get resolved with simple home remedies. Unfortunately, in the nuclear families right now, there is no one to tell us about these home remedies. Of course, there is YouTube where there are many people who tell us so many, tips. But we can just go deeper into what Ayurveda says about these home remedies. And we need to understand at what stage we can try these home remedies and what is the stage where we should directly go and meet a doctor. So I'll try to complete these home remedies, and also I'll share with you some slides where you will understand in each case when you should visit a doctor or when you should try and you can try home remedies. So as you're seeing the slide, this particular slide is about home remedies you can use when you have indigestion. If you don't feel like eating, if the appetite is low, if you feel like the previous meal you have consumed is not getting properly digested or taking a long time to get digested, the stomach is bloated, belchings, acidity, all these things are there. Simple fasting will solve most of the problems with indigestion. And consuming hot water while fasting will also help. But along with that, if you can try these simple home remedies, whichever is available, like you can take fresh ginger, adrak, take 5 grams of the ginger, crush it, and add little salt or jaggery, and take it before meal twice a day. That will help in better digestion. Or you can take 10 ml juice of pomegranate fruit with 1 gram of black salt. You can take this after food. That also will help in better digestion. Or you can fry the jeera seeds, cumin seeds, and take 5 grams of that powder with honey, or not sugar, it is like mishri. And you keep it in your mouth and just suck it. Jeera powder with honey before food. That will stimulate your digestive strength and make you feel, the hunger will get increased. Or you can take 2 grams powder of cinnamon, dalchini. Just take 2 grams of powder, mix it in water and take twice a day before food. That also will help in correcting indigestion. 20 ml decoction made from 5 grams powder of coriander. You make a decoction of coriander powder and then add a pinch of ginger powder, dry ginger powder, and take thrice a day after food. That also will increase digestive strength. Again, 3 to 6 grams powder of fried jeera and rock salt. So previously it was black salt, now it is rock salt. No, previously it was with honey, fried jeera powder. Now you can take with rock salt also. If you have rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, then you can take it with honey. 1 to 2 grams powder of clove or long with warm water. 5 to 10 ml lemon juice with a pinch of salt. Salt is a, if possible, sign of salt. And pepper before food. 3 to 5 grams powder of fennel seeds with powder of fried jeera and rock salt. So fennel seeds and jeera powder, you can take 3 grams each. And then just add rock salt and mix it in warm water and drink thrice a day. Or simply you can take 5 to 10 ml of tulsi juice 3 times a day. Whatever is available with you. I think jeera will be available in every house. And just fry it and have it. That will help in correcting the indigestion. And we also recommend drinking jeera water whole day when you feel indigestion. So add some 20 grams of jeera powder to 2 liters of water, boil it well, and whole day consume the 2 liters water. That will help in better digestion. Now, home remedies for abdominal pain. So suddenly, due to indigestion, some people might feel pain in the stomach. Sometimes due to acidity. Sometimes cramps and menstrual disturbance also can cause abdominal pain. So, in all these conditions, the kind of pain is called spasmodic pain. Something is being, crushed, something like that. That spasmodic pain will be there. So you can try these home remedies when you have that abdominal pain, specifically spasmodic pain. So 5 ml juice of ginger in a glass of buttermilk with lemon and salt. So buttermilk is a very good medicine. We use it as an anupana for all the medicines. Sometimes buttermilk we will use as a medicine also. We use buttermilk as a medicine in problems like hemorrhoids, piles. And in certain conditions, we perform a certain special therapy called Takrapana therapy. Around 21 days, we give only buttermilk, well-churned buttermilk as food for entire day for 21 days. And in certain conditions, severe cases of Grahani, irritable bowel syndrome, and other severe indigestion problems, we give only buttermilk as food along with some medicine. There will be no other food, no rice, no wheat, no vegetables, no fruits, nothing at all. No tea, coffee, only buttermilk as breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything is buttermilk. So Buttermilk is so effective. And if you add juice of ginger to a glass of buttermilk and also add little lemon and salt and drink it, it will instantly reduce the abdominal pain. Similarly, 1 gram powder of ajwain seeds with lukewarm water thrice a day or twice a day. That also, the ajwain seeds, if you don't have time to make powder, and you can just directly chew them also, ajwain seeds, to reduce the abdominal pain. You can stir and dissolve asafoetida powder. Asafoetida is hing in water and apply. You can make a paste of asafoetida powder and apply it on the umbilicus and around the umbilicus when there is severe pain. This external application also reduces the spasmodic movements inside the body and reduce the pain. Or you can take 1 gram of fried hing. Hing is asafoetida. You will not consume it in the raw way. Whenever you consume hing, you have to fry it in ghee or sesame oil. So you can fry the hing in ghee and add it in buttermilk and take it twice a day, 1 gram twice a day. That also helps in reducing abdominal pain. Sometimes due to severe loose motions, people might get pain. And if that is the case, same 2 grams hing, you can take with 2 grams. You can take with warm water. 2 grams of hing with warm water can be taken 4 to 5 times until the loose motion stop and the motility in the intestine stop and the pain in the intestine stop. So you can take 4 to 5 times the same hing. 3 to 5 grams of saunf powder, again with buttermilk, 3 to 4 times a day, also reduces abdominal pain. Similarly, 3 to 5 grams of powdered amla fruit rind. You can discard the seed and whatever is remaining after discarding the seed, you can make a powder of it. And then take it twice a day with milk or buttermilk you can take, 3 to 5 grams. And that will reduce stomach pain. Similarly, if you are having only loss of appetite, there is no stomach pain or this thing, but you don't feel like eating, that loss of appetite, and these symptoms you observe instantly and immediately you take some home remedy, they will not develop into full-fledged diseases. So you need to be vigilant, you need to be self-aware and observe your body. And whenever there is a small disturbance and body is trying to convey it, observe it and take action. So ajwain seeds again, 1 gram powder of ajwain seeds with warm water, half an hour before meal will increase the hunger. Similarly, dalchini and ajwain, 2 grams, 2 grams. No, 1 gram, 1 gram. Keep it in your mouth and chew it. Mixing half spoon of hing and jeera powder. You can, with the first morsel of the food, hot food, mix hing powder and jeera powder with some ghee and eat it, hot food with hing and jeera powder, first morsel. That will also increase the appetite, make you feel like eating. 5 to 10 ml of Karela or bitter gourd juice. Karela nowadays people are drinking to normalize the blood sugar levels. But here we are suggesting for loss of appetite. Karela juice with buttermilk. You can mix 5 to 10 ml of Karela juice with a cup of buttermilk and take it 2 times a day. That will increase the appetite. And honey along with a pinch of pepper powder, again 3 to 4 times a day, will increase the appetite. Or you can take 20 ml decoction made from neem leaves on empty stomach for 3 days. That will cleanse the body, remove any intestinal worms and increase your appetite. 5 ml lemon juice with salt and a pinch of pepper before meals also will reduce the loss of appetite, increase the appetite. 3 to 5 grams of powder of roasted saunf with buttermilk. and little pepper powder. So saunf, pepper powder, you can mix it in buttermilk and add little salt, preferably Saindal Lavan, and drink it twice a day. That also will increase the appetite. And 5 to 10 ml of tulsi juice also twice or thrice a day will increase the appetite. So in the chart window, there is please tell the remedies for eye dryness. And dryness in the eyes is mostly because of improper secretion of the various secretions which happen in the eyes. If the lacrimal glands are not functioning properly, so eye continuously needs lubrication and moisture. Moisture is very important. So if that is happening, to increase the circulation, you can try using herbal kajal. It's available in Ayurvedic medical shops. You can try using herbal kajal. You can also try putting drops of Trifla Grita in ice. So it is available in all medical shops, Trifla Grita. 2 drops in each eye. That also will increase the lubrication and reduce dryness in the eyes. Or if nothing is available, you can just put cow's ghee, 2 drops in each eye. That also will stimulate the secretion of all the glands and reduce the dryness. And Saumya ji is asking, what can we give kids who have low appetite? So whichever is palatable, like lemon juice, they might drink with a pinch of salt and pepper. Karela, neem, all those things for kids, it will not be useful, but you can give them this hing and jeera powder mixed with rice, hot rice and ghee. Mix one morsel with a half spoon of this thing. That also will help. And maybe you can give tulsi juice also. A saunf with buttermilk and pepper also will, if the kid is agreeing, you can give. Itone eye drops for eye dryness, Subbarao Garu is telling. Yeah, Itone is a very good eye drops, Ayurvedic eye drops. There is Saumya eye drops also, manufactured by Patanjali, Ramdev Baba's pharmacy. It's very effective. So that's about loss of appetite. Then flatulence. Generally, ये common condition मतलब गैस रहा, पेट बड़ा हो रहा है, टाइट महसूस हो रहा है, वैसा प्रॉब्लम है तो उसके लिए you can try this simple remedy. 2 grams of ajwain seeds powder with equal quantity of saunf powder with warm water. Simple remedy. Drink it with warm water. That will reduce the excess gas in your stomach. 6 ml of garlic juice with honey. Garlic juice 6 ml with 1 spoon of honey twice a day also reduces the flatulence. So these 2 remedies you can try. Then diarrhea or dysentery. So see, if the diarrhea is not stopped continuously, non-stop motions are happening and the person is unable to drink anything, intake is not there, fluid levels are coming down, dehydration is happening, skin is becoming And all these things, along with severe stomach pain, or sometimes blood along with motions, all these things, you need to take the patient to a doctor without any delay. But sometimes due to the food we take, body rejects it and lets us know in the form of diarrhea. So one fine morning you will start having loose motions, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. You will still be able to take something, but whatever you are taking, immediately you are feeling like going to washroom and empty your bowels. So that kind of diarrhea, you can try to handle it with home remedies. So 10 ml decoction of pomegranate fruit skin, not the seeds. You need to take the skin of the fruit and take decoction of smash it and put it in water and boil it, and take 10 ml of that particular decoction and take it thrice a day. You make decoction once and drink it thrice or 4 times a day. That will stop the loose motions. Or while having loose motions, you can have 1 or 2 pomegranate fruits that will reduce the weakness and also will help in slowing down the intestinal skin. So the cardamom skin, the green one, if you burn it, it becomes that ash. If you take 2 grams with a little honey, that will also reduce the loose motion. Yes, Saurabhji, you have a question? Yeah, just a moment. I've given you the mic, Subbarao, you can ask the question. Subbarao, are you speaking? You have switched on your mic, but you are not speaking. Yes, Subbarao. Now you are audible.
Namaste to all. Namaste to all. Sundaraji, namaste.
Namaste.
My son is 2 years, 3 months old. He's having loose motions 3 times today. Yellowish in color.
Okay.
What should be the remedy for this?
What is his age?
2 years, 3 months.
Yeah, you can see this Jaifel on the slide, no? Okay. You can rub the Jaifel on a rough surface. Okay.
Okay.
And we call it in Telugu Gandham laga argichadam, that, you know. So that Gandham, the paste which comes now, that you can take. You can give the child for 3 to 4 times. You can immediately give if you have Jaifel. Jaifel is very effective in kids. Jajkaya. Okay. And just take the Jajkaya, rub it on any rough surface with some water. Then the Gandham which comes now, you give it for consumption.
We have to combine with anything or give directly there, sir?
Oh, if he is not taking it directly, add it in milk and give milk. Okay, that will stop the loose motions.
Another question regarding the general thing. Some have suggested to take vegetable soup in the early morning. Means we have to combine all types of vegetables, small amounts, and cook it, and then after cooling we have to use the mixie and make the juice. And is it
Okay.
suggestible? Is it suggestible?
See,
Can
for
we?
those people who are not consuming enough vegetables, for them it is okay. But if at all you want to drink a juice, it is always better to drink a juice of the fruits instead of vegetables. Vegetables you can always cook and eat. So if you are not, generally what people will do is they don't eat enough quantity of curry. So they eat very less vegetable. So for them, again, preparing a separate vegetable juice is okay. But people who consume enough quantity of curry with rice or wheat, that will be more than enough. You need not separately make juice every day and drink. Instead of that, anyway, you are eating vegetables in your meal, you can add fruits to your meal. Meal means separately. You can drink fruit juices instead of vegetable juices. That is my suggestion. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
So, yes, we have some more hands raised. Jagdish ji?
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, I was just waiting for the book which is to be coming. I'm not sure if it is going to take more time, the PDF and the test which you suggested 4 weeks before.
Last week we told you now that the PDF is now there in the reminder email which you are getting every week, in which the link is coming.
No, I haven't attended last week, so maybe I have missed it.
Okay, you can check in the email.
Okay, and another thing, eating garlic and onion, are they suggestible or they are not to be eaten?
It directly or the
No,
curry or
while making the curry, garlic and onion.
Yeah, you can have only those people who are doing intense forms of spiritual practices. For them, it is advised. Garlic, onion, and ginger, these things are very good. For us health, they are considered to be rajasic in nature. So when you consume them, or higher spiritual practices, that can cause some trouble, disturbance in their practice, spiritual practice. Only for them, they are not advisable. For everyone, it is okay.
The voice was breaking. If you could just repeat, I just heard higher spiritual practice and bits of pieces. So, is there an alternative? Yeah. If it is not to be eaten, is there an alternative which gives a similar benefit?
No, I'm not telling. I'm not telling you that it is not to be eaten. Only those people who are doing these higher spiritual practices, for them, it can be avoided. For everyone else, it is good for health.
Is there an alternative if one is practicing spiritual path in a higher way?
There is no alternative. You just have to avoid it. That's all.
Okay, and in the first slide, you showed a lot of things, either this or that or something of that sort. Can all that be put in the...
No. You can either this or that. So each one with specific dosage I am showing. No? You can't mix 3-4 remedies. I'm just showing so many available already. But don't mix all of them.
No, I'm saying, can we
For example, in this slide,
can we add them in the tadka is what I'm asking.
Tadka you can add. Yes. Tadka you can definitely add. These are meant for tadka. The only thing is to add them very less quantity. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I'll just check for that link which you shared. Thank you.
Surendra Pratap ji.
हाँ सर नमस्कार.
Namaste.
My younger brother, who is age is 62, his creatinine is 3, and
Okay.
urine is coming foggy, and some bones appears on his left foot, and they are taking a lot of time for filling after using so many medicines, but they are taking a lot of time. So sir, to reduce the
I
creatinine,
couldn't get the last sentence. What appears? Bones.
bones जो जखम हो जाता है ना, appears on the left
Bones.
foot. Yes.
Left foot, it is not healing.
Yeah. So, and they are taking very long time for healing, and the creatinine is 3. So please suggest so this creatinine comes to normal and this bones to be fulfilled. Is this due to the increased creatinine of the toxin are depositing in the body? So what to do in this case?
Yeah. See, non-healing wounds suggest reduced blood circulation and reduced immune strength. If the immune strength and circulation is good, immediately body will heal whatever wound outside the body or inside the body. Okay. Non-healing is because of reduced circulation and reduced immune strength. And one reason for reduced circulation can be increased levels of serum creatinine. So serum creatinine is a bigger threat, increased levels of serum creatinine and foggy urine. So this is a condition which cannot be handled with home remedies. You should definitely consult a nearby Ayurveda doctor because there are wonderful.
Yeah, I've consulted. They have given the one churna, that is Punarnava churna and Gokra churna to use, and some other medicine also I have taken from the Ayurvedic medicine. But the nephrologist told that this creatinine which is increased cannot be reduced. We can help to save further, but this whatever the increased creatinine, it cannot be reduced. But the Ayurvedic doctor can be reduced by these medicines. So some remedy you can suggest?
It can be definitely reduced.
I
can't suggest medicine in a Zoom session. You need to make me speak with your brother. Then only I will be able to take the case history and then suggest medicines. Okay.
When I should contact you?
Yeah, I'll send you my number. You can contact me tomorrow between 3 to 5.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Can I apply Jaifal powder on my acne spotted every night? If yes, can it cause any side effects on face? No. No side effects. Jaifal is good. Many people apply the Jaifal Gandh, rub it on with water and apply it on acne. That is good. Any other question?
Namaste, Bhaiya.
That is my number. Yes, Namaste, Soumya.
Bhaiya, we use this Jaikai for kids who are born after 15 days. No, we start giving that, like you said, on that sandal stone that we rub it and give for small kids. They say it is very good. They will sleep. So can I, like, now my daughter is 2.5 years old. So can I give it to her even now?
Any difficulty in sleeping?
Bhaiya, your voice is breaking, Bhaiya.
Is there any difficulty in sleeping?
No, Bhaiya. She sleeps once. She sleeps very late. She's awake all the day. She sleeps very late and she gets up like maybe after like 8-9 hours. But she sleeps very late in the night and she's awake all day. Once she gets up at, for example, if she gets up at 8:30 in the morning, she is awake till 10,
What is your age?
11, 2.5 years.
2.5 years. So afternoon also she will not sleep.
No, Bhaiya, she doesn't sleep in the afternoons. Only when we are traveling or we've gone out somewhere, that time while coming back on the way, she will sleep in the vehicle. But at home, she has stopped sleeping. She used to sleep. Now she has stopped sleeping from 1 month.
Okay. Yeah, you can do some nice oil massage in the evening and give her a warm water bath. That will make her sleep early and
Okay.
make sure all the lights.
Okay. Yeah, we make sure that all the
Subscription.
lights are off. No mobile phones. We don't use mobile phones. We make sure of all that. But this just happened like maybe a month back. I mean, a month back. I think she fell sick, and then after that, she started doing this. She had a normal fever. I think it
Okay.
was viral fever, and we don't give her any. We have not given any antibiotics to her yet.
Good.
So after I think she fell sick, she was not keeping well for 2-3 days, and she was fine. She's normal. Even when she has fever, she's running around, and only thing she doesn't eat much, and she's on milk or juice or something. But otherwise, no issues that we have seen. But now only from 1 month in the afternoon, no, she doesn't sleep at all. So that's why I wanted to ask, can I give her this Jaka, I think, or anything else?
Easiest way
Like
is to do body massage.
any oil is okay, Bhaiya? Coconut oil is okay?
Best oil is til oil, sesame oil.
Oh, okay, Bhaiya. Okay. Okay, Bhaiya, I will try it. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Gogneni Giriprasad ji.
Sir, Namaste Bhaiya.
Namaste.
Namaste Bhaiya. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir. Sir, I have the vertigo. Vertigo, sir.
Sir, what is it?
Vertigo problem.
Vertigo.
I get the sensation, reeling sensation in the morning hours.
Okay.
When I get up from the bed, less than 1 minute, I get a reeling sensation.
Okay.
After that, in sitting position, I don't have any problem, sir. Only in the while I'm going to bed and also get up the bed, I have a problem, reeling sensation.
Okay.
So what is the remedy for this, Bhaiya?
So, see, first we need to understand why this vertigo is happening.
Yeah. I have in the left ear, I have infection. Due to that, doctor told me that you get because of that infection.
Okay. In that case,
yes,
I will suggest nasal drops.
Okay.
So warm nasal drops. So I've typed it in the chat window. You can try it for 1 week for vertigo.
Okay. Through nostrils.
Yeah. For the nostrils, before bath, you put 2 drops in each nostril.
Yes.
And then let's see what happens for 7 days.
In the mornings, in the morning or evenings?
Morning before bath.
Morning before bath. Okay. What is the name, sir? Put a chat box. Okay.
It's there in the chat box. Herbala 101 drops.
Okay. Is it available in Ayurvedic medical shops, sir? Any
Ayurvedic shop.
Okay. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you. And one more question, sir. One more dot is it? When do we start this is holistic health program, NPTEL program, sir?
Oh,
on holistic health.
Faculty program?
Yeah, I'm faculty.
Ah.
Usha Rama College of Engineering near Vijayawada.
Okay. See, the thing is, we have prepared the syllabus for the faculty development program also.
Okay.
And now we are preparing videos along with the book which we have written.
Okay.
So it's like comparison videos. There will be around 42 videos, both in English and Hindi, and very soon in Telugu also. So that work is going on.
Okay.
Once the videos are over, then I think we will start conducting the sessions.
Okay, Bhaiya. I did UHU1 and UHU2, and regularly I attend this program, Holistic Health, a weekly follow-up class, sir. Yes.
Wonderful.
Right. I do regularly yoga, Surya Namaskaras, and everything.
Great. See, that regular physical activity with the punctuality and discipline.
Yes,
actually, this wonderful machine called body work for 100% without any problem.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you.
Sir, what is the name of the channel where the videos are available?
AICTE SIP. AICTE SIP.
Yeah, okay.
AICTE
SIP Student Induction Program.
SIP. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhaiya.
AICTE SIP. While dialing the videos are available.
Yes, sir.
All the videos are available.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Even this session which we are doing right now is being streamed live on YouTube in that channel.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Every week session also will be there in YouTube.
Oh, yes, sir. I followed it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you.
Namaste. Okay. So, jeera, 1-2 grams of fried jeera powder with buttermilk also reduces loose motions. White onion chopped and fried in ghee can be eaten with rice, hot rice. That also will reduce loose motions.
Sir, how much
ash of elaichi skin?
How much onion to be used?
A medium-sized onion, 2 onions.
Okay.
Yes. That can be the food while having dysentery.
And this should be taken 2 or 3 times in a day? It can be taken 2 or 3 times in a day?
2 meals. 2 times.
But sir, this rice is not allowed for the person who is diabetic. So, can they use it?
See, rice which you are getting right now is not allowed. The polished rice, super polished rice, which loses all the fiber, that is not allowed for people with diabetes. But if you have unpolished brown rice, that is not at all a problem. You can have it.
It is said that the percentage of carbohydrate is rich in the rice. So in the unpolished rice, the percentage is not so rich.
Unpolished rice, we have a coating of fiber, which will not allow the rice to break into glucose instantly. When you consume polished rice, instantly the glucose gets released in the body and instant surge of energy happens, and afterwards again immediately you will feel like hunger maybe after 1 or 2 hours. Whereas the rice with fiber, the unpolished rice, it will slowly release the glucose over a period of time. So little quantity over a period of time, you will not.
In the market, only polished rice is available and is not available in the market.
No. Brown rice is available in every shop. Every shop nowadays, brown rice is available. Just have to ask that. So,
I'm living in Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. Here, generally, we see the white rice is only available in the market in the shops, but the brown is not available.
Then you can order it online, Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket.
Okay.
Okay. Now, another home remedy for hyperacidity. So people feel like burning sensation and heartburn. The acid regurgitates from the stomach to the esophagus, sometimes till the throat. And you will feel the burning sensation due to the regurgitation of acid backwards. So excess production of acid causes the opening of the sphincter, which will generally not allow the food to go back to the esophagus. So that sphincter opens and acid regurgitates, comes backwards towards the esophagus and causes severe pain and burning sensation, not just in the esophagus, sometimes in the stomach, sometimes in the intestines. Also, when excess acid gets produced, that will cause a problem. Generally, we take antacids, omeprazole, ranitidine, and all these things.
Yeah.
But without those, simply have these simple home remedies for hyperacidity, like again, pomegranate juice, fruit juice, you can take every day like medicine. So that will reduce hyperacidity. Or you can eat the pomegranate fruit also instead of juice. And you can take amla, ramlaki or usrikaya, Indian gooseberry. So discard the seed and take the powder of the fruit. You can take it twice a day with milk. That will help in reducing hyperacidity. Or you can take 10 to 20 ml fruit juice. If you get a fresh amla, you can take juice of the fresh amla 2 times a day, 10 to 20 ml. Or if you get powder, 3 to 5 grams powder also you can take twice a day. So both things. Or you can directly eat the raw amla also, raw amla. That reduces hyperacidity. Then
Sir,
5 to 10 grams of ghee boiled with jeera. Sorry?
Aloe vera juice is also can be used to reduce this acidity.
Yeah, aloe vera juice will help.
Okay. It should be taken directly, or some other method is there to use it.
Directly, you can use. You can eat aloe vera flesh directly.
Okay. Sir, is there any home
you can
remedy to
heat
make water alkaline? Mostly the water is now coming acidic. So how the water can be made alkaline? Is there any home
What is
remedy?
the source of your water?
This Nagar Palika, this Nagar Nigam water is coming from, it is the source. It is the river water.
That will not be that.
Processing and sending.
Nagar Nigam water will not be acidic.
Yeah, pardon?
Nagar Nigam water will not be acidic. Tap water will not be acidic. Have you checked it?
Yeah, it's I have seen the rating. It is 7.1, but it is said that at least 7.4 should be much better for the health. So
how much is it? 7.4. How much is it? No, your water.
Here is 7.1.
7.1 is perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Tap water is always alkaline. Don't worry. Only mineral water, which you get from the RO, UV, that is acidic.
Achha, mineral water is acidic?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, nowadays there's a Kangan water instruments is popular. They are making water alkaline to the 8.5 to the 9.5. Is it justified to take it? Is it better for the health or not?
It will damage your health if you take above 8.
How much reading of alkalinity is beneficial? Up to 8 or 7.1?
We have already discussed previously. It is 6.8 to 7.4 is okay.
How much? 6.8. It is acidic. Below 7 is acidic.
6.8 to 7.4 is okay.
Okay. But 7 is a normal reading. Below 7 it is called acidic. After 7 it is called alkaline.
See, above 6.8 and below 7.4 is almost, alkaline.
Okay.
So excess of alkalinity also can cause problems.
Okay. That I want to know.
And another thing is, it is very expensive, the Kangen thing.
Yeah, it is very expensive. Our 2,70,000 and more.
And the maintenance is also too high. Maintenance is also too high.
Okay.
So you will not spend that much amount on alkaline water. Just drink tap water. That will be more than enough.
Doctor said that if you add this cucumber, this amla, and lemon in the water for a whole night in a pot,
it becomes alkaline.
Earthen pot, it makes water more alkaline, which is more useful for the body. It is correct?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, that is true.
So the whole night the water to be kept in the earthen pot, and it should be removed in the morning, and it can be used.
Yes, it can be used.
Okay.
That is good. So 5 to 10 grams of ghee boiled with jeera. When you are heating the ghee, add some powder of jeera, and that ghee you mix in your food and eat it. That also will reduce hyperacidity. Tender coconut water also reduces hyperacidity. Vomiting.
Tender means that soft coconut. That green coconut.
Right?
Tender means that kacha, the soft coconut.
Yeah, where the malai is very thin.
Okay.
So now about home remedies for vomitings. Whenever the digestion is not good and you are consuming without considering your digestion, eating heavy food, even when you are having low digestive strength, body tends to reject that food, because if the body keeps that food inside, it will become toxin, and it will cause so many problems inside the body. So body rejects right from the stomach only. So in such indigestion problem, if the vomitings are not stopping, then you can try these home remedies. But if the vomitings are due to some head injury, then immediately you have to rush to a hospital. That these remedies will not work in such vomitings. So these vomiting home remedies are only for vomitings due to indigestion. So 1 to 2 grams powder of cinnamon with honey thrice a day can be a good remedy for vomitings. And this, please keep a note of this elaichi seeds powder. Previously in the loose motions, we have seen elaichi skin powder. Ash of the elaichi skin for loose motions. For vomitings, seeds powder. You fry the seeds in ghee and make a powder of it and use it 250 to 500 mg, not grams, sorry. It is mg, milligrams. It's less than 1 gram, half gram. You can take it with ghee thrice a day. Ghee and you fry it with ghee and take it with honey. So that will reduce vomitings. Again, ash of elaichi skin. Again,
Sir,
for vomiting.
Here you are suggesting elaichi skin, and the diarrhea elaichi seeds.
No. In diarrhea, No. In diarrhea, it is also elachis skin. So ash of elachis skin in diarrhea. See, ash of elachis skin with honey for dysentery or diarrhea. For vomiting also ash of elachis skin. This ash of elachis helps in both vomiting and loose motions.
Same process is allowed in both.
Same process for loose motions and vomitings, yes.
Oh, okay,
with honey. Sir. Thank you. 5 to 10 ml lemon juice mixed with water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Also helps in reducing vomiting. So, lemon juice with sugar and pinch of salt, or elaichi or cinnamon. These are the things. So, constipation. This is something which troubles many of us, particularly in old age. So, it can be because of many reasons. Maybe because of less consumption of water, or less consumption of fiber, or low intestinal movements, excess dryness inside the body, less consumption of ghee and oil, lack of lubrication. Anything can cause constipation. And consumption of chocolates, meat, wine, all these things which take away the moisture from the water from the intestines will cause constipation. So 3.5 grams of amla fruit powder with milk, or you can take juice of amla with 10 to 20 ml twice a day for constipation. 5 ml of ghee in a cup of warm milk. It's a simple remedy for constipation. You can try it. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee to 1 cup of hot milk and drink it in the bedtime. That will help in better evacuation of bowels. And haritaki is harad. Both amla and harad are the part of trifla. So you can take harad with hot water bedtime, 5 grams. That also will help in reducing constipation. There are some more slides. Today we have to stop because it's 8:30 already. We can take 1 or 2 questions again, and then we can stop it. Vijayanka Shahji, you are practicing in Mumbai for psychosomatic conditions as a psychologist. Great. Wonderful. We need more and more centers to give counseling for psychosomatic conditions, because many people, they don't know that their condition is a psychosomatic condition. For example, psoriasis or vitiligo or rheumatoid arthritis. So many conditions where immune system gets disturbed because of a lot of stress, irritation and all. So I'm happy that you are practicing psychology, particularly for psychosomatic conditions. That's a great service to the society, sir. Nice. Do we have any questions? Knee joint pain. Okay. Knee joint pain. We will do one session on knee joint pain, Jagdishji, so that we can discuss in detail. But a simple remedy is like applying the paste of dry ginger powder and if possible the arka juice. That will made it into a paste along with when you boil it in milk. So arka leaves juice and dry ginger powder, boil it in milk and make a paste and apply it on the knees. That will help in reducing the pain. But to increase the cartilage in the knee joint, it is better to take harjod. Harjod is a herb available everywhere. Daily you can take 1 2-inch piece of harjod and eat it on empty stomach. That will help in strengthening the knee joints. But we will have a session separately on knee joint pain because it is common for many people among us. Suryakant ji, you have any question? I have given you the mic, Suryakant ji.
Hello, sir.
Yes. You're not audible.
Yeah, that's my doubt is for hyperacidity like vomiting sensation, limbu juice with sodium bicarbonate, that is तीनों सोडा बोलते हैं ना, खाने का सोडा, mix up, whether it's advisable or any side effects.
Generally, caustic soda, the soda, the powder, they use it as a mild antacid with water, low concentration soda. That is good. Okay. But I don't know about mixing it with lemon juice. You can take it exclusively, the soda, if it is available.
With lemon juice or with plain water?
With plain water.
Okay. How much quantity? Half teaspoon?
Pinch.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Sundaraji, you earlier suggested that to take jajikaya powder, not powder, to rub on that, and then take that, add to the milk. How much amount we have to add to the milk? Pinch.
No, you need to rub it for your kid is 2 years old, na?
Yes, sir.
Then on the rough surface, you make around 20 rounds.
Okay.
So whatever the gandha comes out of the 20 rounds, you make him lick it or mix it in milk and give.
For one time, we have to like that. You have told us 3 to 5 times. For one time, you have to.
Yeah, 3 to 5 times you can until.
Okay.
Sorry. You have to rub it to make a round.
Okay. I understood.
Yes.
And regarding my mother-in-law, she is having some cataract in the eye. It is in starting stage. So you suggested amla powder. We have to add amla powder to milk, or how we have to take amla powder? How she had to take?
Directly you can take with hot water.
Okay.
But cataract, only with amla powder, it will not be solved.
Okay.
There are some nice anjanas and vartis for cataract, which will dissolve the cataract. So we can also put these Drushti eye drops from Patanjali stores. That is very effective in cataract.
That is very effective, but it is very
strong.
Strong and.
Or you can have this. You can have this. Yes, Jalan. There is this Chandrodaya Varti available in medical shop. Chandrodaya Varti, that you can rub and apply it. Put it. Drops you can put it in eye. Rub it with honey, and put two drops in each eye.
Is it powder? Chandrodaya Varti, is it powder?
Chandrodaya Varti is a small stone-like thing. You have to rub it, just like Jajikaya.
Okay.
Sir, this Drishti eye drop contains white onion juice and ginger juice and lemon juice. These three things are the contents of the Drishti eye drop.
Yes. That's why it is burning.
Yeah.
But it is effective.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Parikshit Bhaiya?
Ji, thank you. Thank you, Sundar Bhaiya, for the interesting session and all the course for this healthy interaction and discussion. And we like to have more and more such sessions. And it certainly motivates all of us to what to do, not only what to do after we fall sick or fall ill, rather how to remain healthy and fit. And this is the overall objective. So thank you, Sundar Bhaiya, and we'll meet again next Friday for the same. Namaste, everybody. Namaste.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Namaste to everybody. Very good session. It is very